I am the Cuban leader of boats. I make boats in Cuba.
What do you think is going to happen?
Well, our boat is very high maintenance and a lot of technology. So, I mean, we have great drivers, and I think we're going to win. That's one of my Aitor. Come in here, see this is our expertise driver. He's been navigating cardboard boxes for a while. So, yeah, Dragon.
This boat is not going to do too well.
Oh,
as you can see by everything that we have.
Yeah.
We just kind of did this last minute, but we'll see what comes out of it.
That's going to edit out in the last minute.
It's so close! Flip it over there! Flip it over!
Move up, Aitor! Get up on it! Get up on it!
Get on it! Get on it and go! Get on it! Go!
Is that cow?
I am the Cuban leader of boats. I make boats.
Keep going! Keep going!
Let's hear him doing that.
Alright, how do you think it went?
I think it went pretty good. We'll be seeing them at nationals because our boat performed really well today. Jagger, you have anything to say?
No, it speaks for itself.
You just have to watch out because we're going to come out strong and fierce with Lily number 2. I'm standing here with my driver, Aitor Orlando. Aitor, tell me, how did it go today?
Well, it was really bad. The boat didn't do a good job in the water. And first of all, the engineer of the ship told me that it was a pretty good boat. But then when I saw it, it didn't work. So I was very disappointed.
So, what do you think can be improved on?
Alright, let's go back to the room, guys. Let's go back to the room.
How?
Take more time.
Take more time. More cardboard?
Yeah, more cardboard.
More cardboard?
Yeah.
What tape? Thank you, Aitor. Now I'm here with Aitor Orlando. Thank you, Aitor.
Cartridge.
No, I'm not done. Need more cardboard.
Now we're fine.